Hi, good morning. Another day, another surgery. So, first, I'd like to greet Miss Bridget Lonzaga. No? Happy 18th birthday. Si Bridget is one of my patient. I did rhinoplasty. No? Siya po ay taga Barangay San Isidro. No? And hi din po sa kanyang mami, si Ma'am Aileen. Hi po. So, our cases for today, we have 3 cases. First case is lower blepharoplasty. Yan po yung eye bags. This is a 78-year-old female. No, malaki yung kanyang eye bag, so we're going to remove it. I advise her to have upper bleph din, no, kasi naka-hood. So, sabi niya, yung lower na raw muna kasi baka mahirapan siyang magpagaling. No, baka raw magapa sa Christmas. So, lower na muna. No, okay din naman yan. Then, our case, second case is Gore-Tex rhinoplasty, no, for a 54-year-old female, no, from the States. So, dito siya magki-Christmas. Gusto niya pagbalik niya ng States. A new you for the new year. No? Then, yung third case is facelift. So, I'm going to do a deep plane facelift for a 79-year-old female. So, aangat po natin yan, pati dito po sa may bandang eyebrow para medyo may brow lift. So, deep plane facelift po yan. No? Papakita po natin lahat yan. Mamaya, sana po matapos tayong maaga. Ang matagal po rito is the facelift. No? So, papakita po natin yung deep plane facelift. So, that's it. Another day, another surgery, another day, another watch. This is a Yachtmaster Thor. No? So, yan po. See you at the OR. Hi, I'm done with lower blepharoplasty, yung eye bag removal. No? So, ito po yung mga natanggal natin na fats. Ang dami po. No, and yung skin, we remove some of the skin para may lift ng konti, no? Pero ang main problem is the fats, naka-bulge. So I remove everything, but not too much, syempre, kasi hindi naman dapat lumubog. Mas matanda po tignan pag lumubog, yung sunken eyeball, no? Yung iba po kasi tinatanggal lahat. Hindi po dapat. Yung lalabas lang ng kusa, yun ang tatanggalin. Ito po yun, no? So that's it. Another day, another surgery. Oh, hi. I'm done with Gore-Tex rhinoplasty for a 53-year-old female. So, I did a septal extension graft for the T-plasty. Then I placed 5 millimeters Gore-Tex. No? Ang ganda po ng take-off. Bababa pa po ito. May konting swelling na. Then the supratip break. Then the tip. Then I also did the baba flap for the alar trimming kasi medyo malapad yung kanyang ala. O ganyan. I lifted the tip, so naging almond shape. Meron pa rin pong konting extra na nalapad eh. So I did the alar trimming using the baba flap. No? Pinasok po natin ganyan. Napakaganda po ng kanyang nostrils ngayon. I will see her after 6 days. Another day, another surgery. Hi, I'm done with the deep plane facelift. So, wala na siyang jowling. No? Yung neck niya, na-lift din yung neck. Nilift din natin ng konting kanyang brow. No? So, yung nasolabial fold niya, na-lift na din. No? She's from the States. She's 79 years old. Ngayon po, she's 78. Joke. Mga 40 siguro, no? Na-lift na ganyan. Bibigyan natin ng chupon para 5 years old na lang po siya. So, that's it. I will see her after a week. Papakita po namin yung result sa inyo. No? Another day, another surgery.